Welcome back to Moto Trends. Today we're diving deep into the all-new Kia Carens Clavis, the latest facelift of Kia's popular MPV, which has just been launched in India. Bold, modern and stylish. At first glance, the Kia Clavis brings a fresh, modern twist to the familiar Carens formula. It sports a striking new front fascia with redesigned bumpers, sharp 3-pod LED headlamps, and aggressive LED DRLs, giving it a more premium and futuristic presence on the road. The front also features a wide, rectangular air dam for a bolder stance. Move to the side and you'll notice the stylish 17-inch alloy wheels, adding a sporty touch, while the rear has been completely revamped with a sleek LED light bar and newly designed LED tail lights, ensuring the Clavis stands out even at night. Tech-forward and comfortable. Step inside, and the Clavis continues to impress with a revamped interior layout. The cabin features new upholstery and a premium fit and finish, along with a host of cutting-edge tech. You get a fully digital instrument cluster, a 2-spoke steering wheel, and a brand new console for the AC controls, giving the cabin a futuristic yet practical feel. The heart of innovation. Of course, the Clavis is packed with tech. It boasts a panoramic sunroof, ventilated front seats for those hot summers, an 8-speaker Bose-sourced audio system, and a 360-degree camera for a complete view of your surroundings. Plus, it features Kia's Level 2 ADAS suite, offering over 20 autonomous features for enhanced safety and convenience. Power meets efficiency.
I can feel my body. I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive. Don't look back. Flashing lights, they will not find me. Say goodbye, you can't fight it. I can't feel my body. Wait, I'm alive. I feel, I know.
Under the hood, the Clavis retains the reliable engine options from the outgoing Carens, including a 1.5-litre naturally aspirated petrol, a 1.5-litre turbo petrol, and a 1.5-litre diesel engine. Transmission options include a 6-speed manual, 6-speed automatic, 6-speed IMT, and a 7-speed DCT, ensuring a wide range of choices for different driving styles. Confidence on every drive. Safety is a priority in the Clavis, with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESC, VSM, BS, AOHAS, DBC, TPMS, and parking sensors, all coming as standard. Plus, with the addition of the Level 2 ADS suite, you get advanced features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and autonomous emergency braking. Ready for the road? The Clavis is now available with prices ranging from Rs 11 to 21 lakh, ex-showroom. If you're looking for a premium, feature-loaded MPV with cutting-edge technology, the Clavis might just be the one to beat. So what do you think about the all-new Kia Carens Clavis? Is it the right blend of style, tech, and practicality? Or do you think Kia could have done more? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Moto Trendz for more exciting car content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
I don't wanna know the darkness, the shadows I can't hide.